Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am, oh my goodness, I'm over the moon about how much money I saved at Kroger's today. This does not look like a big haul, I know, but I got big ticket items on sale. So let me go ahead and get into it and tell you all what I have. Let me cover up some information here. I spent $65.56 and I saved. Let me show you all where it says it. Store coupons and Kroger savings. 45.39. Yes, 45.39. And I'm also going to go ahead and fill out this Kroger feedback and get my 50 bonus fuel points. Y'all don't forget to do that. They used to have it where you could enter to win a $1,000 shopping spree, but I think they took that off. I'm gonna have to call and check, and they need to get back with that. But anyway, I saved $45 on this. So let me get into the haul and let you all know how I saved $45. There were a few things that were not on sale, but so many things that were. This was not on sale. This is the 9 grain seed bread that I love to get. It was $3.99. Also, the bread was not on sale unless I have to double check because I have clipped so many of the digital coupons and sometimes I have forgotten what I clipped. I know the last time I had gotten the bread and I had a digital coupon for that or a paper coupon. But anyway, $3.99. These were $1.39 each. The hamburger buns I think were $1, and the milk I think these were $1.39 too. Maybe $1.39 for these. And the milk was $2.39. So that was not on sale. Those items were not on sale that I know of. This was the Minute Maid fruit punch. I believe it was $1.25 on sale. Then we have this purified drinking water. 25 of the bottles. They were on sale for $1.99. I had a special coupon for the digital download for 99 cents. Yes, 99 cents. And I love these because it's the non-BPA bottles. So yeah, get to Kroger's and get that. I got this for $1, the Nestle mini marshmallow rich milk chocolate. I love those. I have the Blue Bonnet margarines. They were on sale for 88 cents. I got some of those. I already have plenty of butter, so I use butter and margarine. So I have plenty of butter already I got on sale. And I also got these butter toffee peanuts. They didn't have the regular, just salted peanuts that I usually get. So I got the butter toffee peanuts, and I hope they are good. They were only $1.69. So I was happy to try these out. Also, the Doritos, Fritos, and Cheetos were $2.49. The Doritos were $2.50. Oops. These were $2.49 each. These were $1.75 on sale, and they probably will be cheaper closer to Thanksgiving, but I just wanted to get it to have it. My husband basically swear up and down that you can tell when something ain't ocean spray. So I wanted to get this jellied cranberry sauce just to kind of see if he can tell. I'm gonna put this in the bowl. I'm gonna see if he can tell this ain't ocean spray. So let's see what happens. Oh Lord, that's gonna give me a good tickle, and he just might know that it's not. So we'll see. He has a pretty keen sense of smell and taste, so he might know. We'll see. These were on sale for $1.99, the family size. So a lot of these things I got because Jalen will be home soon. So I had to get some snacks for her and for Isaiah too, of course. But I need plenty of stuff when they are home, especially together. These, okay, like I said, these were $1.99 each, and you had to clip a coupon, a digital download. The grapes were 97 cents a pound. I got this big old bag of them, and I got a small thing of green grapes. I got this watermelon, not on sale. It's $5, which I know I basically have to have it in my salad now. All right, you guys, y'all. This ground beef, this big pack was on sale for $5.47 regular $11.97, I think is the regular price. On sale for $5.57. I think it was $5.47, $5.57, somewhere in there. Pork chops. Let me turn this around right here. $14.69. Got these on sale for $4.17. I saved $10.52 with that. I don't hardly fry pork chops. I don't hardly buy them, but I bought them, at this price. I bought them at this price. I'm going to freeze them until Jalen gets home and make a special dinner for Isaiah and Jalen, because Chris doesn't eat pork and stuff, and I do eat it, so I will be eating some. Also I got this. This was on sale. I think it was $2.99. I believe that was the sale price. And this, I had one of these already at home, but I lost it somewhere. I took it somewhere. I think it was during the time of my mom's passing, when I was going over my mom's or my sister's, and I left it at one of the places. So yeah. Also, these were $1.99 on sale. The regular price was like $4.57 or $4.99. The regular price, got it for $1.99. Oh, these Starbursts, they were on sale. I think they were oh goodness, I don't even remember, but these are new here in our area, so I wanted to get more. I had gotten 2 and my husband said they were good, so I got 2 more. Got some orange juice and bananas. And y'all, the devil was up at Kroger's. Yes, he was. Yes, he was. If he can't make you bad, he will make you hungry. Yes, these are 55 cents. And this is my favorite chocolate candy, basically anything. My second, I think, is the caramel pecan delights. You know what? I can't say that. They run neck and neck. But y'all, I love me some Reese's Pumpkins, Reese's Trees, Reese's Eggs. Lord have mercy. So, yep, I got 8. I shouldn't have got them, but I did. Anywho, I shouldn't have got them, but they're going to make me happy. All right, so that is everything, y'all. That is my haul. And y'all get to Kroger's if you can. I don't know if the same sale is going on in your area or not, but I got some good deals. All right, y'all be blessed, and I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.